Hi friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Callon Petroleum, Callon, or Callon Petroleum, whatever you want to say. Now we are looking at a monthly chart or the long-term trend for this particular stock. Now one thing or one pattern that I have observed in the past couple of days, I will say that energy stocks are showing uh, lots of attraction on the upside. Whether it is a trading bounce or a sustainable rally, that is hard to call. But whatever it is, there are some sharp movements in these kind of stocks or sectors inside which the stock belongs. Okay. Now, having said that, because this is one of the most important headline, because when we are looking at 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 stocks in a single day, we will get a sense of understanding about the kind of stocks that are moving in the market, or how the overall uh, trends are working. Now, having said that, what we can see here that the overall structure is more like a flat chart. Okay, so here we have the overall trend is more like flat. So as you can see here, this is how your support looks like on the downside. On the upside, on the upside, we're having something like these. Okay, we're having some levels like these because the levels are very closely related to one another. Does it mean that there is no movement in the stock? Okay, and we are looking at a long term trend, so the levels are quite or decent enough so that we can able to see and talk about that. Now, having said that, all these things, what you can see here, that the first support level or the immediate support level for the stock is 8.16. Below that you have 4.99, and then you have 3.4. If the stock falls below 3.4, then it will be a big problem, because the next support will directly come at 35 or 36 cents. And looking at the current price actions of from the lows, the stock has already risen by 2621%, 2621% on the upside, which is a very decent rise in a very short amount of time. So one must be very careful about the trend and the way the stock has moved in a very short amount of time. Now on the upside, we will have 11.97 as our first target, followed by 17.89. Then you have $22, and your big target will be $28. Now I will not go beyond 28.75 on the upside, and the reason for that is it is a flattish kind of chart. If you look the top view, on the bottom view the lows are skipping or sleeping on the downside, so this is not a good sign. If you look at the overall chart, this is not at all a good sign that you are getting lower lows. So which means the current low is lower than the previous low. The previous low is lower than its previous low. So this is not a good thing. But on the upside, we will see that the levels are very flat from the top, but there are different targets which you can see on your screen. So what you need to do here is understand, okay, if the stock hits one target, trail your stop losses before going for another target. Save your profit, minimize your losses, then do whatever you want to do. Because if you know how to do these two things, what you are left with will be profit itself. So that's why you are going to be very much skeptical about any rally on the upside, and you must be very disciplined when you're dealing with the overall trend and places your stop losses. It doesn't matter if you lose $1 or $2 or $3 on the upside. as long as if you can, you know, you have the money to stay in the market. Because if you get a good stock and if you can hold on, you will get all the losses which you have made from multiple trades. But if you don't have any money, which will probably wipe you out from the stock market itself. So that's the biggest risk. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.